she looking, fam? Ew.
Yeah, she's dirty.
Dirty ass. Is the drive going to give us any issues with the rack or anything like that, or?
So we're going to use just a normal 6-rib, because obviously 6-rib fits.
Right.
And then diameter-wise, we have plenty of room everywhere.
Is it a shared drive?
Yeah, it's going to make sure drive. Obviously, F-bodies are also pretty tight on space. So there's a bunch of systems that just work with F-body drive systems.
Right.
So that's what we use. And I mean, it's not going to spin hard, so
no.
It doesn't matter. Like, it's not going to slip.
No, yeah.
Like, no matter what.
We're only pushing like 7 PSI. That's all you really want to push with this kind of thing anyway.
It's mostly just like a look thing, I feel like.
Yeah. Cool factor.
Yeah, I mean, it'll definitely make it up somewhere.
Oh, absolutely. At least another 100 wheels should do this car pretty good.
Yeah, I think the cam and the door together, that just picks up like 150, 200.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like, Nick, you want? He's like, yeah,
here's a tune. You get a tune. You get a tune.
Interesting.
Interesting indeed, Jimmy.
I like this. This will be cool.
Yeah, I hated this car, but I like it again now.
Oh yeah, because with
everything I didn't like about it is getting fixed right now.
Yeah,
no chopping, no blower.
Yeah.
Even with the cam, it should feel fun.
Yeah. It should make like 370.
Dude, cam, blower, and gears?
Yeah, I think it made like 330.
Yeah, it should make close to 400 cam.
This is getting those adapter plates, right?
Yeah, they actually look pretty nice.
Cool. Those are good. I like it.
Definitely shrinks the port up a lot.
Yeah, I mean, in theory it shouldn't have too much of a boost, but they're a lot better at blowing than they are at sucking.
Sharp as
I can imagine. It looks like it.
It's ported lower too.
Is it?
Yeah.
Wow. So it should make some chooch. What year LS1 is this?
About 2000. I mean, it's not logged out or anything, but
it's a little bit. It's something.
Yeah, it's got a lot of triggers.
Sure. It's a good ride. Look how far back your seat is.
She go all the way back. Did you see the new F-150?
No. I saw the new Suburban. Looks terrible.
I didn't see that. The new F-150 got unveiled last night.
Was it nice? Yeah.
It has some really cool, innovative features.
Is it? You sound like a guy who didn't just buy a Duramax.
No.
You gotta say while you're in there, guys.
What?
Mopar or no car?
Oh, we will.
Shake. Ooh, it makes cool noises. Gib.
I can't see the
Gib.
buttons.
Gib.
Ooh, there we go. Now I can see.
Joe Gib. Give me AC Gib.
Look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
She go all the way.
Gib.
Refresh.
Get more. Ooh. No cool. No chokes. Okay, I'll be the tuner now. Look how long this dash is.
Dude, this is you think somebody did it because they were like, hey, let's play the old $20 build trick. I couldn't reach it at idle.
No, yeah. Beans. Ooh. Oh, it's got a race valve on it, huh? Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
Jimmy.
Oh yeah?
If you're gonna do it,
Gotta do it big.
you gotta do it for all the noise.
Gotta do it big. It's actually really nice sounding. It's not that bad. Usually I hate race valves because they're just like.
I love race valves. It's the way this car needs to be, man.
It goes from.
This is the first drive, so she's gonna be a little.
Yeah, a little weird. Boy, these shift really different than the GM 8-speeds. Get out of my brain, Joe. So quiet, yet so quick.
I love the exhaust on these things. They sound so.
They sound like 2 valves. I like it.
Hemis sound awesome.
Hemis do sound really good. I just like it takes me back to a Mustang. Except you're going way faster. Like us doing that, I'm like, Wow, this sounds like a 2-valve, but we're actually going somewhere.
We're actually accelerating.
Mm-hmm. We're not doing 14.9 at 90 or 89 or whatever.
You mean?
So he did ProCharger, headers, and what else? Oh, that's it. What headers did you do? Arch?
And we did it. I mean, the needed fuel stuff, obviously. But,
what do these need fuel-wise for?
We did injectors. We actually did Demon injectors on it.
Ah.
Because OEM quality and 1000cc, so lots of room to grow.
Right.
And ProCharger has a drop-in Bravo 400 kit.
Oh, cool. Oh, so this thing should actually, I mean, it should be capable of some pretty good power then, huh?
Yeah.
Methanol?
No. But the tack signal's all off. It's too close to all the other bundles too. Nah, it won't work.
Sounds dope. Should be neat. Can't hear the blower on the dyno though.
Wait till I pull that intake and put the camera.
I just need to see what the air fuel is. Pretty close, if I do say so myself.
Better be. It's goddamn speed density.
It makes it 10 times harder.
No, it doesn't. Now, you're telling me on an 0411 PCM, you can't speed density a car instantly?
Well,
Yeah, there.
I've done it a few times.
Well.
So.
Well, you know.
Did you rev it out?
No, I just let out. I just needed to see what it was doing.
I'll be curious how fuel is. We have enough pump.
It was definitely, I mean, no sign of letting up. See how sensitive it is to timing. This was a 2-degree drop. That's pretty big. Tells me we need more timing.
Man, I want to ask Dan, be like, can you just run this on some race gas blend all the time?
I'm going to throw a little bit more in it and just watch the back on the next one.
Alright.
How much timing is in it?
Got about 10 in the mid-range.
Oh.
And about 12 to 13 up top.
This thing needs headers.
It needs
Real
octane too. But headers, yes. And if I keep the timing conservative, it'll be okay at 10 pounds.
Hey, I want boost and lift.
We need good gas, if that's the case. Let me make a couple more fuel corrections and try a couple more things, but the octane is stopping us for...
Just make it run this bitch on ethanol all the time.
Oh yeah, we'll pull the coupler on the next one.
Let me get my video.
Yeah.
I didn't get it.
Your video.
Your video.
It is your video.
as 91 octane is. But it's when I get into the single digits where I start to get concerned.
Yeah.
We're at 12 to 13 degrees.
13's pretty.
We just need more octane and more fuel.
I'm gonna start calling you Less Power
And
Joe.
more boost.
Yeah.
Joe Less Power.
Yeah, wait a second. What's going on here?
Yeah, he's always like, push it!
Yeah, don't be a hurry up.
I am.
Bro,
No,
7,700 now.
Take more.
Don't be a pussy, Nick. Let's pull some boost out of there.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, we done. No, we got.
Hey, you know, also, it's up to the customer. If you want to spend more money on fueling,
Yeah. If I was
money
down
on
at 9 or
fueling,
10 degrees, I'd be more concerned. We're up at 12 or 13. so.
I'll ask Dan. You want to do a fuel system? What PCM is this? Is it an 0411?
It's an 0411. Technically, we could do flex fuel
There
on
it
this.
Is it the good one?
If we're sitting at 10 or 11 pounds of boost, we only need a 2-bar OS, and that's what the 0411
Tom,
can
break
go
out the
up.
crimpers.
So I could convert it over to a Tahoe.
it's the right PCM?
Yeah. Well, it's the right PCM to do 2-bar.
Oh, and not flex.
We can do flex with 2-bar. You have to have a blue-green to do 3-bar with flex. But since we're at 10 pounds of boost, all it needs is 2-bar.
I'll tell him if he does a fuel hat, I'm putting a flex in. What injectors are in it?
Deck of 60s would be bigger. Yeah.
What was the plan on any of that? I don't really think he's looking for it.
He says that now.
That's true.
Until he drives it, he's like, I'm used to it.
I don't know. I want to go drive it.
Yeah.
tighter than the bike.
Oh,
I did that.
is the GoPro on?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It's not gonna fly off and go into the throttle body, is it?
This is called dangerous, Joe.
I'm sure it's fine.
I'm just double checking. Thanks for making me paranoid.
Anytime, baby.
The things you do for yeehaws. Okay.
This is super yeehaw.
This is pretty yeehaw. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, it ain't got twin turbos coming out of the hood, but
Should we put the...
I'm surprised at how not shitty it drives because it's got motor plates, you know?
Yeah, I don't get how it doesn't... It's not like rocking.
No. No. And it doesn't like rattle your teeth out.
No, it drives so good.
Like I feel like... Perfect. Perfect. It's loud inside the car. It's louder than I thought it would be.
Dude, I love this thing.
This thing is so cool. I like it a lot. That's so cool. Oh man. It's gonna look so cool with the hood on and all the friggin' holes cutting it and stuff.
It's like perfect power.
It is, yeah, for this car. I thought it was gonna be too much. I thought we were gonna overdo it.
No.
And it's not an optimal setup by any means, I don't think.
No, but I love how small it is inside.
Just do like an LS3, you know? or something.
I mean, I'd put a PD blower on it.
Oh no, for sure. Like maybe just an LSA. I don't know.
LS9.
Oh, that'd be sick.
LT5. Blowers like
it definitely rides rough.
yeah, these coilovers are not what I would do.
No, probably not.
It has gears too. It feels incredible. Jesus.
It sounds great, man. It sounds better than a V. It really does. I love these mufflers, dude.
Yeah,
I'm really gonna do them on everything.
Did you hear that?
Thing is
It's so awesome.
a little animal. Oh man. It's dope.
Really impressive.
It's nasty.
How's the whine on it? Can you hear it? The whine?
Oh, it's loud.
Super loud.
Yeah.
It doesn't spin.
Really?
I mean, first gear, like it wanted to like hop a little, so I got out of it. But I just fall in second, and it just gone. It could be slow, but it's so little, it feels incredible.
Yeah.
I mean, it's still making 500, so.
And
But it's so tiny. Like I'm amped from that.
I'm surprised it hooked, man. Like with gears and another 200 wheel, it still hooks. It's like, wow.
Really good.
It really.
It's like a Viper. It's just so little, it feels fast.
You were moving, man. Like,
Yeah, it was. These little primaries. God damn, I love it.
Like if it, well, I wonder how much it would pick up if it had a header on it that was made to flow, you know?
a lot. Roots blowers
those are like
hate
1.5 inch.
Mm-hmm. Roots blowers hate that kind of restriction.
Yeah.
There's so much more.